If you're wondering what any of this stuff is, you're looking at the wrong video. If you're looking at this and you know what it is, allow me to save you some time and trouble. None of it works. At least not for me, maybe for you. I tried, gave it a good Boy Scout try, and everything was not an epic failure, but a significant waste of time. So I'm here to save you some time and tell you that yes, none of it works unless you have the time and patience, or you know something I don't know, or something that YouTube hasn't explained to you yet, some magic potion, some riddle. But let me save you some trouble. None of it works.